one supplier that is also buying from another supplier that is also buying from another supplier. At the end of the day, you will not make any profit. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so very much. Thank you for coming back here. And if you are new here, if you're just seeing this channel for the very first time, do well to click on that red subscribe button now. Click on it and don't forget to click on the notification box. So whenever we drop a new video here, you're going to get notified. You do not want to miss any video here. Yes, trust me, you do not want to miss out. Today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually make money online. Yes, because that is what I do, and I don't want to be selfish. I'm not even selfish, so that's why I'm bringing it out to you. That is why I want to teach you. I want to tell you, if you want to do it, fine. And it is really working out. I'm a mother of one, I'm a wife, but I stay at home. I'm not a full housewife, but I stay at home, I work from home, and I'm making my money every blessed day. Yes. So not everyone can do exactly what I do and make money from it, because yes, I've had a lot of people that have come to me, can I do this, can I do this, I want to do the same thing you're doing, and they tried it and it didn't work for them. Yes, I have other people too that they tried it and it really worked out for them. So I feel like what worked for A might not work for B, what worked for B might not work for C or D. So I am actually going to be telling you legit thing you can do online and you make so much money from. Yes, you can make money from Instagram, you can make money from TikTok, you can make money from WhatsApp and other platforms too that are not even this popular. Even on YouTube here, yes, you can actually make money from YouTube. There are a lot of things you can actually do from the comfort of your home and you will make money from. And even if you're a 9-to-5 worker, you already have something you're doing and you just need a side also. Yes, you can try some of these things out and it will work for it. So let's dive into it. Oh wait, before we dive into it, do not forget to subscribe. Click on that red subscribe button now and don't forget to click on your notification box too. Like this video if you're enjoying me. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you 3 things you can actually do and you earn so much money from. So the first one is starting up a business, like buying and selling. The second one is production. You can start producing some stuffs. And the third one is a skill, like teaching. You can actually learn a skill and start teaching people. There are a lot of things you can actually do online that you will make so much money from, like content creator, UGC creator, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, and so much, unlimited self. But for this video, this is the first 3 I'm going to be talking about, and in my other videos I'm going to bringing out some secrets that you can actually earn so much money from. At this point, if you're yet to subscribe, please go and subscribe. So let's continue. First one is starting up a business. I understand that starting up a business now might require a lot of money, but you can actually drop ship and you don't even need capital to start up. That is what dropshipping is all about. You don't need to have the goods at hand. You don't need to have a lot of money before you start. You can actually dropship for people that have the goods available. So you join their wholesale group or their dropshipping group. They send you picture, give you the necessary details for each product. All you just have to do is to create a platform where you want to be putting all of these things out. Your WhatsApp status should be available, maybe your TikTok page, your Instagram page, your Pinterest, your Facebook, anywhere you feel you can get people to make inquiry and end up buying from you. Just go ahead and post there. Create a business page for whatever you want to start selling and start posting. So when you have a buying customer, they pay to you, pay delivery fee, everything to you. All you just have to do is to go to your supplier, pay the wholesale price, and your supplier can even deliver the goods directly to your customer. Sometimes you don't even get to see the product. You will not even see the package like this, from your supplier to your customer, and your customer will feel like it's coming from you. So that is what dropshipping is all about. So you do not need to have this product at hand before you can sell. You do not need to have a whole lot of money before you can start a business. And if you know you have money you want to invest in, of course there are a lot of business you can actually invest in and you will earn so much money from. You can go into jewelry, fashion items like bag wears, sneakers, shoes, a whole lot of things like that. Even hair, there are a lot of business you can go into and you make so much money from. But before you start, just make sure that you do your calculation so well. How much are you investing? Where do you want to buy from? Don't rush. Don't just go and buy from one supplier that is also buying from another supplier that is also buying from another supplier. At the end of the day, you will not make any profit. But take your time. If it's to buy supplier contacts, as long as it is real, it is legit, go ahead and do that. So So you know you have a good supplier that is going to be giving you good quality for your money, and not like supplier from suppliers. No, direct supplier like this. So with that, you're going to be getting quality for less, and if you're reselling, you're also going to be selling at good rate, that you will make your own money and your customer too will know that okay, you are affordable. So the second one is actually production. There are a lot of things you can produce from the comfort of your home. Yes, you are a full-time mom, a stay-at-home mom, or you already have a 9 to 5 work, but you're always free on Saturdays and Sunday weekends. There's a lot of things you can produce. You can start making snacks like plantain chips. I heard of akara chips, and people are actually buying it now. You can learn how to make all of those things and start producing it from your home during your free time, like weekend. You can start producing pap. I know you feel like pap ke ogi as how. Yes, people are making so much money from this because it is very easy to produce. You don't need to start doing 100 naira own or doing 50 naira own. You don't need to start hawking it around. You don't need to start going to people house. I say no. People are packaging it now. Just get plastic, do liters, do it there and sell. You will hardly see a home in this Nigeria that they are not taking ogi. Some people, that is what they even drink every morning. Even if everybody in the house is not drinking it, maybe the daddy or the mommy will like ogi, and ogi is actually like a must food for new mom. So it is something that will definitely move. So as long as you are doing it the right way, if you don't know how to do it, go ahead and learn it. I'm going to be dropping a video here also on how to make all of these things. Just stay tuned, subscribe if you're yet to subscribe, and click on the notification box, so whenever I drop any video, you're going to get notified. Whatever you want to start, you might see it. So you can start making ogis. You can even go as far as creating nice content for it, and you start selling online. Yes, people will definitely buy from you. Some people even trust you that you are online, that people that they will see in their streets, because they feel like okay, your own will be more neater. Also, even when your home will be more expensive than the one they will get in their area, or they just feel like okay, your home, because of the packaging, they want to buy from you. So you can start producing pap, you can start producing chips, you can start producing coconuts, you can start producing liquid soap. Yes, liquid soap. It is really selling out fast, and all of this does not require a huge capital. You can start with little money. You can start up. If you're consistent and you know how to sell out, you know how to market your goods, definitely you will sell out. Then the third one is learning a skills and teaching people. This one is very profitable. Imagine that you learn something for 30,000 naira and you start teaching people for 25,000 naira. Just imagine that you were able to get 5 clients. 25,000 naira times 5. Do you know how much you've made? And you learn for just 30,000 naira. That is if you want to be affordable. If you're not going to be affordable, you learn for 30,000 naira. Maybe you want to teach for 50,000 naira. Do you know how much you're going to be making? So there are a lot of things you can actually learn and start teaching people. You can learn how to fix sponsored advert issue, and you know your target audience are business owners that want to run advert on Instagram. You can learn about fitness training, and you already know that your target audience are people that want to slim down, people that want to work on their tummy, people that want to be fit. You know, you already know people in that category. You can learn how to do graphics design, and you'll start making flyers for people. Your target audience are also business owners and other people too that also need this graphics. You know, people that need graphics now. So those are your target audience, and it is very easy. It is very easy. This one will not even take much of your time. You can be doing your normal work and you still be doing that as a side also. You can also learn picture and video editing, and you start teaching people how to edit their picture like a pro. You already know your target audience. Girls, we ladies, we want to edit our picture, we want to come out nice, we want to have a good picture for our Instagram, for our Facebook, and all of that. So it is very easy. You will definitely get customers. Even if they are not willing to learn, you can start doing it for them. Like, send your picture, I edit for you, then I send you the nice copy. Trust me, you're going to make so much money from that. All these things I'm giving, I'm not asking for anything. The only thing I'm asking you like a price is just to click on that subscribe button. Please do so. There's so many other stuff you can actually do and you will make so much money from. But for this video, this is the little I'm going to be mentioning. So look forward for other videos on how you can actually make so much money online. I'm so particular with anything that has to do with money, because yes, I like money. I no deny am. So that will be all for this video. So please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Feel free to comment what you would like to see in my next video, and trust me, I am going to deliver to you. See you on my next video. Thank you.